Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message or audio message playing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in WhatsApp application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search WhatsApp app. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. You make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your WhatsApp application. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp voice message or WhatsApp audio message playing problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.